Caramel apple bourbon, pork belly burnt ends. First, we're going to cube up the pork belly, then we're going to use yellow mustard as a binder. We're going to generously season with apple cinnamon rub, and then we're going to fire up the charcoal. We're smoking at 250 for 3 hours using applewood. On goes the pork belly, then we're going to spritz it every hour with apple cider. Now we're going to wrap them up for 45 minutes with butter and brown sugar. Time to make our caramel with water, sugar, and corn syrup. Once it turns dark brown, we're going to remove it from the heat, add in heavy whipping cream, Buffalo Trace bourbon, butter, and vanilla extract. Time to drizzle on the caramel sauce and top it with some flaky salt. Then you have some sweet and salty